sugar cake. That's the first thing that we need to do when we cook or bake.
And wash your hands. We already wash our hands.
Then get your mommy and dad or daddy to preheat the oven. 180 degrees Celsius. The ingredients are 3 eggs,
1 Greek yogurt,
1 Greek yogurt, 1 cup of olive oil. When this is empty, we're going to reuse it and we're going to put this 1 cup.
We are going to add 2 cups of sugar.
White sugar. And
Okay.
use it.
When this is empty, we can use it as a measuring cup.
The same as the olive oil. 3 cups of flour. And again, we use this cup when it's empty.
1 little package of baking powder.
1 lemon.
1 spoon of vanilla extract like this.
1 spoon of powdered sugar. Ta-da!
Okay, some butter for the edges of the pan.
Sure. For the edges of the pan. You see it?
First, you have to crack 3 eggs.
Now you have to beat the eggs. Now add the yogurt to the egg. Now add the sugar in the cup.
Now, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar in the cup of
In the bowl.
in the bowl. We put the sugar in the cup of yogurt.
Now add 1 cup of olive oil. You see we poured it. Wow, it's like an experiment. Now you need to tell mommy or daddy to zest the lemon because you can get cut.
In your finger. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Whisk it all together. Mix until thick. Now we're going to add the baking powder and the flour.
I'm going to add the baking powder.